Hey guys, this is Al. Now today I'm doing a review of MailTag. I'm going to tell you why you need this awesome Google Chrome plugin in your life. All right, let's get started. Now, MailTag is probably one of the most popular um, Google Chrome extensions that you've probably never heard of. Now, this is why I'm going to say that. This Chrome extension has some features in it that are shocking, and they also what I consider to be an auto response killer. Okay, now the people at Get Response, the people at Constant Contact, the people at Aweber may hate this Google Chrome extension, and I'm going to tell you why they may hate it. All right, this Chrome extension does almost everything that your regular email autoresponder will do, and a lot more. And I'm going to explain what I mean by that. All right. Have you ever sent out an email to a client or a friend or a family member and you've wondered, did they get my email? Did they open it? Did they read it? And this tool, this Chrome extension allows you to basically know if they opened your email. And not only does it do that, it allows you to know if they clicked on the links in your email, and it also allows you to follow up with them on an automatic basis if they did not respond. Okay. Basically, I'm going to go through some of the features. I'm on the MailTag website. A link will be in the description below, so you don't need to take notes, guys. All right. But I'm going to go through and I'm going to explain why this is so awesome. I already talked to you about the fact that you can track whether someone opens your email, and you can see what happens basically if they went on a link, if they clicked on a link, and so on and so forth. It also has another feature where you can schedule emails to come after your initial email. If the person doesn't open that email, it said you can send a message out that says, "Hey, you didn't open my email. Did you see the first one that I sent you? Hey, this is a reminder to check out the first email that I sent you. It's critical that you respond." Or it may be something where you can have an automatic email follow up, which is a ping, they call it. And basically, that is the function of an autoresponder. So you can set up unlimited pings in your email marketing campaign. And this is like amazing. And then what happens is they also give you a dashboard so you can track to see which emails were open, which emails weren't open, and you can set up, basically you can run your whole email marketing from your Gmail account. Okay? All right. This is perfect for people who maybe have bought an autoresponder in the past and they don't know what the heck they're doing. They're overwhelmed, they are confused. Basically, you can send pre-written emails, set them up, and have them go out to the clients, the customers, the family, the friends, whoever, and manage it right from your Gmail account. This application gets one of my highest ratings because it is so awesome. And if you'd like to send out emails, be able to track them, be able to do online email marketing, and not have to pay for an expensive autoresponder, this is your best option. $12.99 monthly. And then what happens is you can get the annual plan, save some money if you pay annually. and it's only $9.99, but you have to pay for the whole year for that. All right, but a link is in the description. Currently, they're offering a 30% discount. I don't know if the 30% discount is going to be, there at the time. So you need to hurry and click on the link below this video so that you can get it, if you see this video in a timely manner. All right, guys, that is my review of MailTag. It is awesome, and I have it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.